Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your account details so the fix is targeted. Open Palmpay, sign in, and verify your phone number and BVN are correct. Mismatches cause rejects. Once done, ensure the app is updated and you have a stable connection to avoid timeouts during repair. Make sure you've copied the transaction ID, timestamp, and exact amount. These facts speed up resolution when you contact support or initiate an in-app dispute. Now move to tracing the actual transfer. You now trace the money step by step. Open transactions, filter by date, and locate the transfer. Review its status: pending, failed, or completed. If pending, cancel only if the option appears. If failed, retry with corrected details. For bank moves, cross-check the recipient's account number and bank code, and for mobile transfers, confirm the phone or Palmpay ID. Capture screenshots and copy any error codes. These are essential evidence. When escalating to Palmpay support, you finish by initiating resolution and confirming the outcome. Use Palmpay's in-app help to open a dispute, attach screenshots, and include the transaction ID and a terse description. Support typically responds within 24-48 hours. If a bank was intermediary, also contact the bank with the same evidence to request a reversal. Once you receive confirmation, recheck your wallet balance and transaction history to ensure funds returned or recipient corrected. If nothing changed,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.